Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a great barbecue recipe for you. I'm looking forward to sharing it with you. So let's light the fire and get it going. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm stepping out of my comfort zone and cooking a duck, something I've never cooked before. We're going to get this duck seasoned with some Cajun two-step Cajun seasoning with some fresh black pepper, and we're going to throw this in the oven and get this duck going. This is going to be great, and I'm looking forward to sharing this recipe with you. Hey everyone, I just had a quick question. I noticed everyone is doing different proteins and different family traditions for the holidays. Comment below and let me know if your family is still traditional turkey and ham for the holiday, or you guys are doing different proteins such as duck, lamb, beef, seafood for the holidays. Thanks. And just like that, we have this duck seasoned with that Cajun two-step, that nice black pepper, and I think this recipe is going to be very good. Again, this is my first time ever cooking a duck. Man, I'm excited. And just like that, we're about to put this duck in the oven and put it to bed. It's going in the oven, and with the help of television and editing, we're going to bring it out. It's been in the oven for right at about 1 hour on 350 degrees. And now I'm just using my instant read thermometer and checking for temperatures. It was probing temperatures around 145, 150. So I said, hey, that's close enough for us to start broiling this duck. I'm going to leave the fall off, put my broiler on low, and let this duck get nice and crispy and come up to that 165 degrees in the thighs and in the breast. Man, I wish you guys can smell this. I'm about to put it in the oven with the broiler on low. And when I'm broiling my meats, I just like to keep the door open and keep a close eye on it. That way nothing gets burned, nothing gets charred, and we have a good dark color. And just like that, we have the color we like, and we're getting temperatures of 170 inside this duck. I am so excited. We're going to let it cool, and I'm going to give you guys my final impression of this two-step Cajun seasoning and eating duck for the first time. And here we have it. The duck turned out great. I'm getting my videos and my shots with the seasoning. The duck was delicious. It's a different taste, a little bit of a gamey taste, but it was good. Guys, comment below if you guys want to see me smoke a duck or grill a duck on the Weber kettle. Hey, thank you guys for staying this long, watching all my videos and all your support. Until next week, cook and barbecue 24/7.